guys, Asta's just been delivered. Let me just shut this because Fox is asleep. Yeah, my weekly shop from Asta's just been delivered, so I thought I would show you, and then we'll go through the meal plan. I have done this a few days in advance of my weigh-in, so I will weigh in a couple of days and then this will all come out at the same time. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I've got. Spent £70. I got beans, there's 2 lots of these, 2 lots of light mozzarella, 2 cucumbers, some asparagus tips, some bread for Ben and the kids, some ham, flat leaf parsley for a recipe. Thought I'd try some radishes, chocolate drops, brioche for the girls, some tomatoes, some vanilla, apples, a mango for Mika. I got 5 of these, no added sugar jellies, these are half a sin. I got some strawberry and some raspberry ones. Some milk, some low fat squirty cream. I got some of these, I think these are like 2 sins. I'll put it on the screen if it's any different, but I think they're like 2 sins or half a sin or something, I can't remember. And they're like 49p, so they're a nice quick lunch. Some Mikados. I got some of these last week. These are 4 for £3 and they are so amazing. They're half a sin per pot. This is like vanilla quark with chocolate pieces, and then this is white chocolate quark, and it's literally half a sin, which is just amazing. Some chicken breasts, some pork mince, some grapes. I ordered some bacon and I asked for lean bacon and they sent this, so I've asked for it to be refunded because I only eat the medallion bit and it's just full of fat. Some turkey steaks for a recipe, some mince. I'm going to chop this up into portions. Some sugar-free squash for me and for the girls, and then Ben wanted some lemonade. I got some oat Cheerios, which can be your healthy bee. Some Diet Coke caffeine free, that's my other lot of beans. Some baby peppers because the girls love these. Iceberg. Some sriracha. We normally get the expensive one, but this is like a third of the price. So I thought I'd see what this is like. Some fairy, some cotton buds. I do normally buy the cheap washing up liquid, this was on offer so it was cheaper. Kidney beans, passata, a humongous sweet potato, absolutely giant. Bin bags, some pasta. I actually ordered tagliatelle and they sent this for some reason, but that'll do. Kidney beans, freezer bags for like little portioned out snacks and stuff. Parsley, peppercorns because my pepper grinder's empty. And I did order the Kingsmill no crust wholemeal, which you can have 3 slices of for your healthy bee, but they sent this one, so I'm going to have to look and see if this can be used as a healthy bee. I'm assuming it can, but I'll have to double check that. So yeah, that was the food shop. I'm just going to put it away and then we'll have a chat about the food meal plan for the week. Good morning. My light's pointing directly at me. I just thought I'd talk you through the meal plan for next week. So this is in no order, it's just depending on what days I get things out. We're having burger in a bowl, but the girls will just have burgers. Fish and chips, which is going to be like frozen cod topped with like little breadcrumbs, which will be a healthy bee. Orange chicken. These next ones are all pinch of num recipes from the new cookery book, which is this one. I got this delivered from Amazon the day it was released, and it's really, really good. So I have an orange chicken, turkey wraps, which are like a Chinese style turkey, lemon and pepper tagliatelle, and then sausage plaits. So yeah, that is the meal plan for the week. I will come back on Friday when it's weigh day, and then this video will go up. But yeah, let me know what you're loving. If you tried anything from the new Pinch of Num book, let me know if there's anything you recommend. Want to go do some reading? Yeah! We're going to go and do some reading before school. I'll see you later. Good morning. It's Friday, which means it's weigh day, and I lost 2 pounds. So I'm really happy. I really wanted to get 2.5 so I could get my half stone and wood, but I am super over the moon with 2 pounds. So that is 6.5 pounds in 2 weeks. Camera, stop being a dick. Camera, focus. Hi. Do you want this dog hair in your mouth? Take it away. Thank you. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Next week I want at least £1. I'll be happy with anything over £1 because then I get my half sane award. Obviously I prefer more, but I want to lose the weight like steady and slow. I don't want to do big chunks because then it will just go straight back on again. So I am aware that this is going to take some time and I'm completely fine with that. Yeah, so I'm really happy. Week 2 weigh-in, £2 off, which means £6.5 down total, which is more than what Aria was when she was born. Not you though, because you were chonk. You're chonk. Who rolled yesterday? I did. Yeah, you did. A big boy. So I am contemplating going to the gym. I'm a bit scared, but any tips you can give me, please let me know in the comments. I don't know whether to book a gym induction to kind of give myself, because I've literally been to the gym once in my life, I think, when I was like 16. So yeah, I don't know whether to book a gym induction so I kind of get an idea of what I should be doing, or whether to just go. I don't know, but I want to do something. So yeah, any tips would be very appreciated. Yeah, you can put the telly on, baby. Me and Ari are going to make flapjacks in a minute. They're not Thin and Well friendly flapjacks, they're flapjacks for her and her sister for like after school. So they for energy. Hello Aria. What are you doing? You tickling Fox? So yeah, I'm really happy. Let me know how your week's been. I will hopefully try and get some food cooking videos done. It's quite difficult to film with him because I try and get our dinner ready for when Ben gets home, but then I've still got him, so then it's difficult to film. So I might be able to film something at the weekend when Ben is here. But I'll put the meal plan down below in the description box for you guys. If you aren't following me on my Instagram, it's What Luce Eats. I'll put it on the screen, and yeah, I put everything that I eat on there. So yeah, say thanks for watching. There's a sloth on my finger, by the way. And here's to another good week. Oh, and there's the doorbell. I'll see you later. Bye.